Meet Steven. He owns Pacific Manufacturing, a fast-growing business he has built from the ground up. Like other business owners, his goal is to see the company thrive and grow while operating the business at minimum costs at all times. He ensures that he has all the right equipment and talented employees for the business. However, with the business recently taking off and expanding into Europe, the demand for his products are growing faster than he thought. Despite having the right employees, the systems he initially set up for the business can't keep up with demand. Steven decided to seek advice from the business technology experts at Vision 33. Vision 33 is the global #1 SAP Gold partner for growing businesses and subsidiaries of large enterprises. Vision 33 explained that their existing tools are limiting their growth and potential. Vision 33 then explained all the business benefits Pacific Manufacturing would gain from switching to SAP Business One. After explaining to Steven how Vision 33 can transform their operations with SAP Business One, Steven agrees to implement the solution. Sometime later, Pacific Manufacturing started using SAP Business One. Steven can now feel confident that he is in control of his business as it grows. He has also gained valuable insight into even more ways to grow the company. It was all possible thanks to SAP Business One and Vision 33. For more information about SAP Business One and Vision 33, go to www.vision33.com.